In example 2, here we're going to be evaluating some of your trig functions for a 45-degree triangle. So if you remember your special right triangle, this is so special, this special triangle. If you have a 45-degree angle here, 45-degree angle here, and a 90-degree angle here, opposite sides are the same. Those are radical 2's over 2's. You say, hey, Mr. Klein, how'd you get radical 2's over 2's? Well, if you remember your circle, if you go to 45 degrees, that's a 45-degree angle, which is also pi over 4. Then this is at the ordered pair, radical 2 over 2, comma, radical 2 over 2, which would mean that your x value is radical 2 over 2. Your y value is radical 2 over 2 also. So what we need to do is we need to find all of our exact values for the cosecant of 45 degrees, your secant of 45 degrees, and your cotangent of 45 degrees. So your cosecant, that is the inverse of sine. And if you remember, for sine you have so, where you have opposite over hypotenuse. So in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to have our hypotenuse over our opposite side. So your hypotenuse is a 1 divided by radical 2 over 2. Now you can't leave a fraction like this, so if you just multiply by the reciprocal, you end up just getting a 2 over radical 2. Now for your secant, that is the inverse of your cosine. That is the and instead of set your cosine's adjacent over hypotenuse, so this is going to be your hypotenuse over your adjacent. So this should end up being the same thing as your sine. So your adjacent side is radical 2 over 2, your hypotenuse is a 1, and hey, what do you know? It's the same as the cosecant. So if we get a 1 over radical 2 over 2, gives you a 2 over radical 2. And then finally, for your cotangent, that is the reciprocal of your tangent, which is opposite over adjacent. So here you're going to do adjacent over opposite, which for this gives you, well, they're both the same. Radical 2 over 2 divided by radical 2 over 2, which is going to give me a 1. So your exact values, and remember we must leave them as exact, you leave them as fractions with radicals. If you round and you find decimals, those are not exact. So do not find a rounded answer. You need to find the exact value. Hey, thanks.